Pastor Enoch Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, have called for a protest against insecurity, Islamization of Nigeria, and so on. He gave that order to all his parishes and branches all over the country to go into a protest on the 24th of May 2026. But after some time, he cancelled the protests. Here is the order that he gave. Listen and pay attention. The Redeemed Christian Church of God, from Special Assistant to the General Overseer. The General Overseer has directed that on Sunday 24th May 2026, all RCCG parishes worldwide should organize rallies within their respective communities. Parishes are to prepare and display placards bearing the following inscriptions. 1. No to insecurity. 2. No to Islamization agenda. 3. Stop the killings. 4. Stop the persecution of Christians. 5. Every life matters. 6. Seek help if you cannot do it. 7. Stop the genocide against Christians. 8. No to economic hardship. 9. Nigeria must be safe. 10. Let Nigerians live. 11. Enough is enough. 12. Protect the innocent. 13. Peace and security now. 14. End bloodshed in Nigeria. 15. Justice for the oppressed. 16. Save Nigeria from terror. 17. We deserve peace. 18. United against violence. Signed by Pastor Oladele A. Balogun. That was the directive given by Pastor Enoch Adeboye. After some time, he cancelled the protests. Why did he cancel the protest? He cancelled the protest because the wife of Tinubu, called Remi Tinubu, is a pastor in Redeemed Church. The person that exposed that information is a member of Redeemed Church. The person made a video saying that Adeboye called off that protest because the wife of Tinubu is a pastor in his church. Adeboye don't want to offend Remi Tinubu and her husband. He cancelled the protest because if he do that protest, it will look as if he is fighting the government of Tinubu. You called for a massive protest to hold against insecurity in Nigeria, against Islamization in Nigeria. After some time, you came out and called off the protests. Say make the protest no hold again. Christians are dying all over Nigeria. All over Nigeria, Christians are dying. The other day in Yoruba land, a teacher was beheaded by bandits and terrorists. All over Yoruba land, people are being killed on a daily basis by terrorists and bandits, by Fulani herdsmen. Adeboye, that is one of the biggest voices in Yoruba land, is nowhere to be found. He called for a protest to hold. He also cancelled that protest. I have been saying this thing for so long that Yoruba pastors are tribal bigots. But some of our Igbo brothers, where they say, if they see evil for church, they know they won't talk them out. So if they see anybody when they talk against that evil where they come out from church, they're going to tell the person, stop talking about this thing. You are talking against God. Stop speaking against the man of God. I think say na Igbo unification they do. Why you can't leave Igbo unification? They talk about pastors. Yoruba people don't care about the life of other Nigerians. That is why Yoruba people will tell you that it's better for Fulani herdsmen, bandits and terrorists to be killing them in Yoruba land than for them to see an Igbo man become the president of Nigeria. So Yoruba people, they don't care about the safety of other Nigerians. They only care about their selfish interests. If to say Yoruba people care for other Nigerians, before now, Yoruba people for don't hold a massive protest against their brother Tinubu. If to say the person where they power, na Igbo man. If to say the person where they power, na from Ijo. If to say the person where they power now from Urobo, Yariba people for don't they protest everywhere for Lagos, all over Yariba land, they protest, say, made that man come up from that presidential seat where they say terrorists are killing them in Yariba land. But because their brother Tinubu is there, fear not allow them come protest, because whether Nigerians are dying or not, you know, concern them, their own make their Yariba brother dey for power. Christian Association of Nigeria, known as CAN, is silent. CAN cannot protect Christians in Nigeria. Those that call themselves the GOs, General Overseers, cannot protect Christians in Nigeria. The security that is protecting Adeboye is more than the security that is protecting the governor of states in Nigeria. If you see the security agencies that are protecting Adeboye, e no go easy for bandits and terrorists to attack Adeboye. Adeboye dey live for good house. He get money. He get everything where he wants. What of the safety of his members? Yoruba people that are redeemed church members in Oyo, in Ogun, in other Yoruba states, are they safe? No. E get any security where they protect them? No. Redeem members all over Nigeria. Redeem now so e full southeast. No community where you go enter for Igbo land will not get redeem. In a single community like this, they get like 10 redeemed churches inside. If you come in Buzo community for Delta North, now so redeemed church full everywhere for the community. For Umweze, more than 2 redeemed church they there. Go Boli, they get redeemed for there. Go Okpanta, they get redeemed. Every quarter for Ibuzo now so redeem for that place. Go to Ogwashuku, the same thing. Yet, their general overseer called for a protest, at least to tell the world what Christians are battling in Nigeria. To tell the world that there is an Islamization agenda in Nigeria. People come to say, wow, Adeboye called for a protest. This will be saying Yoruba brother the rule. He called for a protest. Like play, Adeboye called off that protest. This is why I'm telling my Igbo brothers, make una stop to dey go Yoruba church. So many of them will be say, religion don't blind their eye, where be say, he blind them to the onset of, if they see evil pastor, they not they feel recognize am. We not say make una not go church, but stop going to the church of your enemy. Pastor Enoch Adeboye is an enemy to the church. See that pastor where they for northern Nigeria, where they say they speak against the killing of Christians from northern Nigeria. The man is making video saying how Christians are being killed on a daily basis in northern Nigeria. One other Yoruba pastor called Pastor Oluremi, where they say na northern Nigeria he expose the killing of Christians by jihadists for northern Nigeria. He don't run come Port Harcourt come stay for his safety. Those pastors are fighting for Christianity, protecting the life of Christians in the way they can. How many times have Adeboye and his likes speak in defense of Christians in Nigeria? Protest where he call, he don't call off that protest. He called that protest off because he wants to protect his Yoruba brother Tinubu. Yoruba people. I pity those Igbo people where they go Yoruba owned churches. Have you ever seen Adeboye show concern to the Christians that are being killed in northern Nigeria? No. Have you ever seen Adeboye interview pastors in northern Nigeria, asking them questions? Tell us what is happening in northern Nigeria. When are these people attacking? How are they operating? All those things, at least ask the pastors to tell the world, say, you are concerned about the welfare of Christians in northern Nigeria. Adeboye no get that time. No be only Adeboye, other Yoruba general overseers like Oyedepo and others. The same mindset where Adeboye gets now, the same mindset where they get. They don't care about the church. They don't care about the life of their members. Their owner, they pay offering and tithes. The reason why they make this video now because of those our Igbo brothers where they go redeem. Even as Adeboye called this protest off now, You go see those Igbo people where still they go redeem, they go still they go to church, they call the man Papa. As they see this video now where they talk within their pastor, do say their pastor put an end to the protest whenever hold. Say make protest no hold. Their pastor cancel protests. They go still they go redeem church. They go. Stop talking about our papa. Stop talking about our papa. One day, Fulani bandits and terrorists, they go catch you. Carry you enter bush, cut off your head. Now that time you go know this is where we talk now. We are saying all these things now for our people to stay clear from the churches of all these evil Yoruba pastors. Now why we they talk all these things? But instead, they go tell us, stop talking about the church. Stop talking about pastors. Focus on Igbo unification. As if that they pay me to do Igbo unification. Because I said they do Igbo unification. Make I no come speak against evil if I see am. Can't turn Igbo unification. Can make kuku if any name around us. That one not go happen. We talk Igbo unification and we will be speaking against every evil that is happening around us. How many Yoruba that the GO you don't see, they speak against the killing of Christians in Nigeria? Adeboye called for protest. He don't cancel the protest. Listen to the Yoruba person that exposed the reason why Adeboye called off the protest. Listen to him. Ishegwale.
Last week Sunday, wọ́n sọ fún wa wọ́n la máa gbàwé ọjọ́ mẹ́ta which started on Friday, Saturday tó parí lẹ́nu. Wọ́n wá ní èní Sunday kò ní sí service throughout this country ní Redeemed Christian Church of God. Wọ́n la máa jáde. So wọ́n la máa ṣe peaceful work protest. Bọ́n ṣe pé nìyẹn. Pé every church member ní sọ anything a kàn máa gbé placards dání a máa oríṣiríṣi àwọn inscriptions ló máa wà lórí ẹ̀. So wọ́n ṣàfún wa ní àwọn kìnìyàn. Èmi tiẹ̀ ti múra I have prepared. On getting to the church today, into bí mi nínú jù nìyẹn. Wọ́n wá ní wọ́n tún receive another message lánàá. Wípé gbogbo ìdìmọ̀ kàn máa ṣe protest yẹn mọ́. Bàbá Adeboye. Now, àwọn èèyàn ti máa ń stand against the Church of God. I will never do that. Because I believe in the person of Jesus Christ. Ṣùgbọ́n nínú ẹ̀yin pastor wa ní Nigeria mi ò ní ẹ fàgbà yín gbọ́ nítorí wípé tí Ọlọ́run sọ ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run lèmi máa tẹ̀lé. Nítorí wípé the wife of the president of this country, Oluremi Tinubu, jẹ́ pastor Redeem. Wọ́n gave order they stop protest yẹn. Bàbá Ọlọ́run á bí yín, camp president Ọlọ́run á bí yín, BFM president Ọlọ́run á bí yín pé báwo lẹ ṣe ṣe. Ẹkún gbọ̀n mi ní church lẹ́nu. I am a teacher. Ẹ wọ́n ṣe behead teacher ní Ọ̀yọ́ state l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́. Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ is very close to us here. We are no longer safe. We are doomed. The church is finished. The ministry is finished. Everything is finished. Ẹ ti fi ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run ẹ ti fi tú wa jẹ. Ẹ ń gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn aláìní, ikú ń pa àwọn aláìní yẹn ẹ lè jà fún wọn. Ṣebí ẹ wà influential. Kí ló dé tẹ̀ ló influence yín yẹn kẹ́ fi save àwọn poor masses. Now I've come to believe what they said about you ministers of God. Most of you are very corrupt. Bàbá Ọlọ́run á bí yín. Ọlọ́run á bí gbogbo yín pátá, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ adarí ẹ̀sìn wa, wọ́n pa wá à ń kú. Ṣé bí church ló yẹ kó jẹ́ safe place táwọn èèyàn máa sá lọ? But church yẹn ń sìn ó ti gbà bọ̀dẹ̀. Ẹ ti jẹ́ kó gbà bọ̀dẹ̀. Ẹ ti báṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run jẹ́, báṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ Kristi jẹ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin pastor yẹn mélòó nínú yín ló jáde sọ̀rọ̀? Bó ṣe pààyàn l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́, nọ́ọ̀sì mọ́dà yẹn àti ọmọ tí ò tọ́dún kan yẹn ṣì wà nígbó. Ọlọ́run á bí yín. Àwọn wo lẹ̀ ń ṣèjọ́ lé lórí? Àwọn wo lẹ̀ ń ṣe ministry lé lórí? Ikú ń pa wọ́n, ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ń pa wọ́n lójoojúmọ́, ẹ̀ẹ́ lè jà fún wọn. Wọ́n ní kí Redeem ṣe protest, bàbá. You stop that protest, Bàbá Adeboye.